I'm at Victoria Embankment in Nottingham, and today I'm going to go in the new splash park with the paddling pool, and because it's just open. And they're tiny. I just been in the paddling pool and there's like thousands behind me. They were very fun and it's free to go in and you don't have to pay at all. And you get very wet. It's also good for little kids too.